FinTech's hot because the finance companies and the banks behind them are gearing up. It's not just the technology itself that's sexy and savvy, it's how it's being deployed. Globally, what we are tracking is nearly $200 billion worth of spend, but then you get a whole lot of new spend, such as mobile banking, mobile payments. In Southeast Asia, in Asia Pacific, where the spend is 3 times that of New Zealand, very few companies do what Finzsoft does, and in fact very few companies are able to do what they do. They started realizing very early on, way before anybody else and any of the big boys caught up, saying, look, let's re-architect the entire solution, keeping in mind one thing and one person, me, the consumer. Not what the bank processes are, not the bank's background or what products they have. Let's empower the customer, because you and I control what products we consume, when we consume it, banking products, insurance products. It's not walking into a branch anymore. You and I are exchanging and doing transactions, buying, selling, paying each other through a mobile phone. That didn't happen earlier. So that's where customer centricity has changed the way financial technology is viewed. So what Finzsoft realized very early on is that they made it web-based. What that means is that no matter where you are, you could be on the street corner like this, you whip out your iPad, you open an application, I start taking information in a very secure manner, I reconciliate that back with the bank, and your loan's ready, or your card's ready, or your account's opened. Now that is very powerful, and a lot of the other people did not think that through. Finzsoft did. Finzsoft is in a fantastic position. I mean, they've done a great job looking after some large Australian banks. Started off as a relationship here, moved overseas in Australia. As of right now, they cover a fair bit of the Kiwi market. So the obvious next step is for them to go overseas. So I think they're going to come out winning in the next couple of years.